Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Jackie. So for today, I wanted to come on here and just explain a little more about affiliate marketing, um, what it is and how I started with affiliate marketing. So for the past about a year and a half, I was spinning my wheels, trying to figure it out. I bumped into affiliate marketing through John Crestani, a really popular internet marketer. In my eyes, he's a complete genius with internet marketing. But when I bumped into his video, that really opened up my eyes and it changed my mindset. It really took me from one level to the next. So I couldn't stop learning about it. I wanted to figure it out. I wanted to learn how to make it online working from home. I had to find a way to make money online from home. I am a mom of two kids and I knew that there's more to life, especially after what happened in 2020. That was a complete wake up call. And that's actually when I discovered affiliate marketing. So, with that said, I finally found somebody that I can learn from, and that was from Tammy Montgomery. I am currently under Tammy Montgomery as my sponsor with Digital Wealth Pros, and I also promote her marketing system, Lead Capture Marketing Pro, where you can go ahead and plug in different business opportunities into Lead Capture Marketing Pro and manage your offers there in one place. But in regards to that, with affiliate marketing, it has honestly changed my life. It has greatly impacted my kids' life. I have time to help them with their homework, study their sight words, do math work. I have time to read them books. I have time to completely study, do the mom thing, the mom duties, uh, be be the best mom and the person I can be. So this is a never-ending journey with self-improvement and learning to make money online. Things always change. There could be different opportunities coming about. There could be different strategies coming. So my advice with coming onto the online world, if you're just getting into this, or maybe you're having trouble finding sales or finding a good program or people you can trust, well, I would say start here with Digital Wealth Pros. You can start. It's a new business opportunity. There's a callback team there ready to close your sales. You can earn $200 and $400. For a limited time, it's going to stay at 400. So if you get in now, you'll be grandfathered in because they're bringing out a new level at $800. So if you get in now, you'll be able to start making $800 commissions, and you'll have that at your advantage. But that's a great amount of money to start with in the online world. I mean, any small win is great. So if you're looking to make money online and you're looking to start your journey online with affiliate marketing, internet marketing, this is your time to start now with Digital Wealth Pros. So the callback team is ready, and if you join under me, I'll go ahead and send you a 10K blueprint challenge that you can use to follow to set up your business successfully. But as well, go ahead and call the 1-800 number after you watch that video, and the link would be in the description box. So once you watch the video, call the 1-800 number and provide my sponsor ID. Leave a message, they'll call you back. But I hope that you continue to want to learn about affiliate marketing here, because it's a great opportunity for people. I I remember the day I discovered it, it just blew my mind. So one book that was recommended when I discovered affiliate marketing was Think and Grow Rich. So if you haven't read that book, that's a great book to get. But there's tons of great books out there. So I hope that this video helped you on deciding what you want to do next with your journey in the online world. And if you felt my message, go ahead and connect with me, and I look forward to the next video. So take care. I'll see you guys soon. And let's make this year the best. And just so happy to be here. I'll talk to y'all soon. Goodbye.